Hengin mo kung kasa diri chitsi chudu ni mo ya kwasa changko chumbo chog ne shu doji den ki chude na le ya rubuchi ne si le peson ti na shi ki tari chushu wa toncho mombu ani chude na lo ya ne si le pe na do
I feel great honor pray in front of this special Buddha statue and this very sacred place. So now, on our planet, including weather condition, things are getting difficult. So we are fortunate. Pray to Buddha. All difficult things can overcome. I pray Buddha, and because this is a special place, so any our prayer is more effective because of the sacred place. Thank you.